Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Caribbean Development Bank, CDB, has indicated that it does not oppose the financing of the medical ganja industry. CDB President Dr. William Warren Smith addressed the issue at the bank's annual news conference on Tuesday in Barbados. With more Caribbean countries exploring the medical ganja industry, the Caribbean Development Bank is weighing in on the role it is likely to play. CDB President Dr. William Warren Smith says the industry can only bring positive outcomes for the region, especially where exports are concerned.
Any way in which we can find avenues to diversifying our productive base, and especially our export base, I think is a good one.
The regional financial leader validated the emerging industry while noting that specific focus must be placed on policing the raw material so it is developed lawfully.
I believe that it's a legitimate industry for our countries to pursue as long as it remains within the law. And that is the position that I think that we would want to take at the Caribbean Development Bank.
He noted that the bank would be open to financing medical ganja initiatives, but he says the involvement of small businesses will be a crucial component in that kind of funding arrangement.
As to whether we finance the development of that industry or not, who knows? It could be that it could be through the small business sector. I don't know. My concern is that the legitimization of this product should not put our countries in a situation where that new area of production becomes dominated by foreign interests and our people, especially our small people, do not benefit from this new industry. That, I think, is something that we need to keep a very, very close eye on.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.30. The Canadian dollar closed at $107.91. The pound is going for $185.42, while the euro is selling for $153.69. Now, Fantana has recorded its most successful quarter after more than 50 years of operations. The company says the success was driven by better-than-expected results coming from the new Waterloo Square location. Revenues for the second quarter ended December 31 were $1.39 billion, representing a 31% increase over the same period last year. Now, gross profit increased by 29% to $583.9 million. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 2,005 points today and the junior market index went up by 75 points. Among the winners were Lasco Financial Services, Stanley Motor, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Sterling Investments, and Jetcon Corporation. Now, on the losing side were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Stationery and Office Supplies, CAC 2009.5% preference shares, Kingston Wharves, and Maver Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.